We are going to see ratio today. What is ratio? It is the comparison of two similar quantities by division. Suppose we have two numbers A and B, and we want to find ratio between A and B, then it will be written as A is to B. This is the sign of ratio, and we read it as is to. Suppose we have two numbers 20 and 50. We want to find the ratio between them. It will be written as 20 is to 50. Now we will write it as 20 upon 50 because we know ratio is the comparison by division. 0 0 cancel, we are left with 2 is to 5. It is in simplest form. If we want to find whether the ratio is in simplest form or not, we find their HCF. If HCF is 1, they are in simplest form like this. Here the HCF of 20 and 50 is 10. They are not in simplest form. But here HCF of 2 and 5 is 1. They are in simplest form. Now if we talk about these two terms, we have two terms in ratio. First term is called antecedent and second term is called consequent. This term, first one is called antecedent and the second term is called consequent. Now we will see some examples to find ratio. Suppose in a class there are 30 boys and number of girls is 12. We want to first of all we want to find the ratio between boys and girls. Then it will be 30 is to 12. Now 30 upon 12, their HCF is 6. We will divide them by 6. 6 5 ja, 6 2 ja. Here the ratio of boys and girls is 5 is to 2. If we want to find the ratio between girls and boys, then it will become 2 is to 5. Suppose we have to find the ratio between boys and all the students of the class. Then here number of boys is 30 and number of all the students in the class is 30 plus 12 42. Now we will find ratio in the simplest form, 30 upon 42. 6 5 ja, 6 7 ja. Since their HCF is 6, therefore the ratio between the boys and total students of the class is 5 is to 7. Let us take some more example. Suppose we want to find ratio between 4 kilometer and 2.2500 meter. Here they are of similar quantity, but their units are different. First we will convert them in same unit. 4 kilometer, either we convert this in meter or this in kilometer. Let us convert this in meter. 4 kilometer means 4000 meter and this is 2500 meter. Now they have same unit. Now we will write them in ratio 4000 upon 2500. We will cancel to 0 here. Again we cancel by 5. 5 5 ja, 5 8 ja. There the ratio will be 8 is to 5. In this way, if you want to find the ratio between two quantities of similar type, then we have to convert them in same unit like we have done here. Suppose we have to find ratio between 2 hours and 70 minutes. Here we will have to convert them in same unit. Either we convert this in both in minute or in hour, then we will find the ratio. Here 2 hour will be equal to 2 into 60, 120 minutes, and this is already in minute. Now we will find their ratio 120 upon 70. 0, 0 cancel. Now they are in simplest form. It will be written as 12:7. In this way, we have seen we can find ratio between two quantities. We will see their applications in the next video. Here I am going to give some questions for practice. Ravi earns 10,000 per month and spends rupees 8,000 per month. Now we have to find the ratio between first income and expenditure, second ratio between income and saving. Our second question is find the ratio in the simplest form. First one, 2.5 kilometer to 300 meter. Second is 1.5 hour to 40 minutes. Third one, rupees 20 to, or we can write here, and 600 paise. These two questions are for practice.